What's up, guys? Jake here. It's been a long time since I've been back in YouTube, and for the longest time I've been trying to set up my very own workshop. And my dad has recently moved back to Hong Kong, and so he's allowed me to make use of his garage. But his garage is full of crap, so it took me a while to sort of get all sorted out. So as you can see, the garage is quite messy, quite a lot of stuff in there. It's a 3x6 meters garage, so after I did a bit of an initial cleanup, sort of measured out the spaces, I decided to add 2 racks and a sort of work table sort of station sort of thing. So after the initial sort of small cleanup and arrangement, I made purchases for the storage racks and stuff like that, but it really took a long time to sort of arrive. So by the 3rd day, I think, I received the workstation furniture, but only half of it. So I got started on installing the top shelves and also the hanging boards first. Okay, so this is probably like the 4th or 5th day I'm working on the garage, and finally the store racks, the whatever racks have arrived, and finally I get to start organizing the bloody garage. So let's get started, man. There you go. That's the rack, bro. There's the rack, and that's all the stuff that needs to be fitted on the rack, like all the boards and stuff. So let's get started. So after I installed all the racks and put all the stuff onto it, arranged everything, cleaned up the flooring, because the flooring is epoxy, so I didn't want to damage it, because I'll be working with a lot of lubrication, petrol, and stuff like that. A lot of stuff that may damage the flooring. So I'm going to install, lay a piece of carpet onto it just to protect it, and then have my workspace basically all cleaned up and ready to, put all my karting gear on. Although it looks messy, but the space is already out, so it looks kind of tidier, and my workspace is a lot more spacious now, which is great. Anyway, I'm going to continue tidying up this area, so that open some of the boxes and stuff, so I can get started on the cart itself. Let's go. And then my desk space, I'm going to install a clamp, a drill, and some sort of buzz saw sort of thing. Just get the workspace arranged and stuff like that. So it's a nice DIY workshop. It's a proper, decent workshop that I'll be able to work on a lot more projects from here on. And here's the final result. Anyway, that was only sort of like a recording of my little, garage setup project. It was quite fun doing all that, although it took a bit longer than expected. I wanted to complete all that, work within 2 to 3 days, but it took more than 1 to 2 weeks because a lot of stuff didn't arrive on time, and then things weren't in place in the right order, so it took a bit longer than expected. But the final result is quite nice, and I quite liked it. Anyway, so from here on, I'm gonna post a lot more DIY projects and karting related stuff. If you're interested, subscribe to my channel. If not, it's okay. Leave a comment, ask what you want or say what you want. Anyway, see you in the next video. See you guys.